Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix the yellow or orange screen issue on Samsung Galaxy A17. In order to do it, you can see my screen is very yellowish. If I go to the settings, you can see it even more because the background is white and it's turning very yellow. In person, it's even more yellow. If you go to display, you can simply go to icon full shield and disable it, and it'll stop being like that. Also, sometimes in screen mode, you may have it set to warmer. It may be just a tiny bit warmer, so you can set it here like that. And possibly also in advanced settings, you might have some issues with the settings being set weirdly, so you can set R, G, and B all the way to the right side, and it should be working, or just switch back to natural. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.